In the evolving landscape of digital marketing, staying ahead of the curve means leveraging tools that maximize efficiency and results. One such tool making waves in the affiliate marketing world is Social Prospector Pro. This innovative software promises to revolutionize how marketers approach Facebook, transforming it into a powerful lead generation machine without the need for paid ads. Social Prospector Pro is a software tool designed to help marketers optimize and manage their organic Facebook marketing efforts. It provides a range of features aimed at improving the efficiency and effectiveness of lead generation on Facebook without the need for paid advertisements. Social Prospector Pro is designed to help marketers manage their organic Facebook marketing efforts more effectively. The software offers a suite of features aimed at optimizing friend lists, targeting the right audience, and automating routine tasks. The ultimate goal of any marketing effort is to generate leads and drive sales. Social Prospector Pro excels in this area by ensuring that every post reaches a curated audience of potential customers. By automating many aspects of Facebook marketing, the software allows users to focus on creating valuable content and building relationships with their audience. Social Prospector Pro aims to transform Facebook profiles into effective lead generation machines by automating many aspects of organic marketing and ensuring that content reaches the right audience. Choosing Social Prospector Pro means leveraging a powerful, automated tool to optimize your Facebook marketing, build a targeted audience, and generate leads and sales effectively, all without the need for paid advertising. Thanks for watching.